Looking for Dooney and Bourke handbags and wallets for the holidays? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Dooney and Bourke Ginger Pouchette Crossbody, Black. The Pebble grain collection is renowned for the rich texture and exceptional durability of its leather. This bag is simple and chic with timeless elegance and understated style, making it perfect for work or a dressed-up night about town, by Dooney and Bourke. Number 2, Disney Mickey Mouse Americana Crossbody Bag by Dooney and Bourke, by Disney Dooney and Bourke. Number 3, Dooney and Bourke Pebble Grain Leather Hobo Black, by Dooney and Bourke. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.